Hello guys, today we will study about the poem The World is Too Much With Us, which was written by William Wordsworth. So guys, first of all, we must know about who was William Wordsworth and in which century he was belonged and what was the reasons behind of writing of this poem. So guys, let's it start now. William Wordsworth is one of the leading figures of the 19th century Romantic movement in England. Wordsworth was born at Cockermouth in Cumberland on 7th April 1770. He was the second son of John Wordsworth. He was moody, stiff, and violent temper, but ever critical of his conduct. While a boy, he was an eager reader and was acquainted with the great critics of the 18th century. He found his real inspiration not from books but from his association with nature. In October 1787, he went to St. John's College, Cambridge, and although he paid very little heed to his surroundings, he records many of the charms of the university. Even in these years, he was meditative and charmed by the beautiful scenes of nature. His deepest sympathies were with the simple life of the country. Gradually, his mind expanded and his sympathies broadened. Like many of his generation, he filled with enthusiasm for the French Revolution. In 1797, he became acquainted with Coleridge. In 1798, appeared a small volume entitled Lyrical Ballads, which was containing the poems of two friends. He held for some time the office of the distributor of stamps for the county of Westmoreland. In 1843, he succeeded Southey as poet laureate. Next to William Shakespeare, Wordsworth is the greatest source of familiar quotations. Now guys, we discuss about the importance poems and importance collections which was published by written and published by William Wordsworth are as lyrical ballads, the preludes, ode on the intimation of immortality from recollections of early childhood, and sonnets. About William Wordsworth, Professor Jasbir James writes that left an orphan at 13, Wordsworth was brought up by an uncle. He started his career as a poet in 1793. It was the publication of lyrical ballads in 1798. A new attitude to nature, but also a new faith in man. The poems collaborative venture by Wordsworth and Coleridge used language and meter differently from the manner it had been handled by most of the 18th century poets.